guys, welcome back to my channel. What I have for you today, I know I said I was going to do a DIY, but I changed my mind because I popped in Target's Dollar Spot and Walmart the other day and I found so many awesome finds. I don't want you to miss out. So let me show you what I picked up at Target's Dollar Spot and then just in Target and Walmart. Okay, I think we'll start with Target's Dollar Spot first. Okay, they have tons of trees. They have different sizes, but I picked up this little tree right here. I think it is so cute. And then I picked up two of these taller ones. Look how cute those are. I love them. Picked up two of these, and these were each $1 because you can use these in a tiered tray. You can use them in your village. You can just do a lot with these. So that's what I picked up. I picked up 3 of those. Then I found some gorgeous ornaments. You know we're going to be doing our own ornaments. These were $3. And they are plastic. You get 4 to a package, and they're like the big, long, kind of delicate light bulb. I hope it's picking up. I know it's hard to see, but they're gorgeous. Okay, and then I love this silver ribbon they have right down through there. Okay, so I picked that up. Then they had these beautiful stockings. These feel so plush, really. They feel like they're high quality. They had the white, that's all I saw. And it comes with the little markers in case you want to embellish it. But you could do so much with this. You could put something on with your Cricut, or you could just do whatever you wanted. Use stencils, but I think this is beautiful. And this was $3. Okay. So that was 3, and then when I saw these, I couldn't believe it, okay? They come in white and unfinished wood. I got the white. Look at this window frame. It's pretty large, as you can see. It looks like frosted snow right in here, like frost or ice is maybe gathered around the window. You can hang it from the back if you want. This is plastic, like plexiglass in there. And look at that. So I picked up 3 of these because I saw something last year that Valerie Parr Hill had and I missed out. And now I can make my own. And they're $3 in case I forgot to tell you that. Okay. Then, let's see, at the Dollar Spot, they have tons of wooden letters. If you want to make a sign, this is the time. So farmhouse, you could paint them, whatever. But I picked up this heart. Look how big this is. Look how beautiful this is. Has the little hang tag with it. Because Valentine's Day will be here. Not that I'm rushing things, because I'm not. But if you don't get this when you see it, you will miss out. So I love this, so I picked that up. This was $1, okay? They have some really nice things for $1. Then, in the Dollar Spot, they have tons of signs. Look at this sign. North Pole delivery, to, from, list status, nice or naughty. Do not open until Christmas. And this is the back. So, and you can use those dry erase markers with this. I think this is just as cute as it can be. And it's really thick, so I picked that up. But they had tons of signs, all kinds of stuff. I was shocked. I don't think I've ever walked in. They had houses, whether you want the ceramic, the tin. They had canisters that say cookies for Santa. I just didn't have any room to get it, or I would have really loaded up. Then I saw this gift wrap. It's $1, and you get 12.7 feet. And I thought this plaid, this buffalo check, was so pretty. So I picked that up. And then I picked up this snowflake one. I think that is as cute as it can be. And then check out this little striped like candy one. So pretty. And then this one is sort of elegant. It has foxes and fancy deer and just things like that. But look at this, and this is gold. I hope it's picking up so you can see just how pretty it is. But all those were $1, so I thought that was really, really good. And then now I'm still at Target, but I'm leaving the dollar spot. Okay, now get ready because this is wonderful. They had these little mugs last year and I missed out. Well, I think they were $5. So this is the little gingerbread man. Look at his adorable little face. And then if you turn him around, look from the back. He is adorable. So I didn't want to miss out. So I picked this up for me to drink my cocoa out of. I can have a different mug every day. What can I say? Okay. And then my husband saw this one. This little snowman, and look how cute with his carrot. Look at those little arms and hands. I love his scarf, the detailing on that, and his buttons and his little hat. And that's what he looks like. Okay, so we picked that up. Then I picked up these little bulbs right here because I'm going to try, and you could go to the Dollar Tree if you wanted. You get 24 for $5. I was just in there and I thought, well, I'll get these. I'm thinking about doing something. If it turns out, oh my, is all I've got to say. Okay. And then, now you can totally DIY these, but I think I was half insane at the moment. So here's these little milk chocolate coated with marshmallows hot cocoa spoon. So I got the milk chocolate with the marshmallows. And I think these were like $1 something or 98 cents. You could totally DIY this so much cheaper. So I would recommend that you do that. And then this one is white chocolate with peppermint. This is what my husband picked up. But I thought, well, you know, it's Christmas and you deserve to be happy, okay? So here I picked up these little marshmallow mug huggers because I can just see me with my little hot cocoa in this mug with this on the edge of the mug. I mean, how festive. It's just, I can just see it. So look, this is a snowflake and it's separated right here and it can go right over your mug and it will be in my hot cocoa before long, let me tell you. And then they have a tree. They have other things like a house and different things, but this is the two that I picked up. And the last thing from Target before we go to Walmart, and yes, we've already been in these. I'm gingerbread obsessed and crazy and I can't help it. Now these are good if you like gingerbread. If you don't like that kick from gingerbread, you won't like these. But they're pure butter shortbread. They're the Walker's kind, and they're gingerbread men, and they have that gingerbread kick, and they look so adorable. And you get quite a few in here. I don't remember how many. It's just 4.4 ounces, but you get, I mean, a lot in here. So I can't wait. I can just see me, my gingerbread cookies, my hot cocoa in my mug, and my marshmallow. I am going to be so festive that I'm not going to be able to stand it, okay? So then let's go to Walmart, and I didn't even get 1/10 of what I found at Walmart, okay? All right, let's get the big boy out of the way. If you like gingerbread, look at this. Oh snap, with those beautiful snowflakes, that gingerbread man there. Oh, look at that. It goes all the way around. This is a gigantic mixing bowl. As many of you know, my husband makes delicious cookies from scratch, and I'll link his recipe in the description box below and behind this video because a lot of you have loved them. So I picked this up. I don't remember how much it was. I think it was, you would think, and it's heavy, you would think that that would be very pricey. I think it was like $14, something like that. Then they had another type of little mixing bowl like, but you could pour it out and it had a gingerbread house on it. I think it was like 12. I didn't get it because I was like, I can't get everything. I would love to, but I can't. Then they had these red and green trees, and I just had to pick up this red one. I can just see cookies on this for the holidays. Look at all that detail. It looks like bulbs strung right across through here. And then even looks like little ornaments there. I love it. And this is tall, okay? And it's scooped down. So if you wanted to put like even a cheese ball with crackers, you could. But they had it in red and green. I picked this one up. I don't remember how much it was, and I wish Walmart would mark them, but they don't. It wasn't an excessive amount of money, okay? So I picked that up. Then I'm going to be making a DIY, I think. And if this turns out, it's going to be so cute. So I saw these plastic straws. They're red and green, and they were $1.98. So I picked these up, and they're real sturdy, okay? And then, gingerbread more. I saw this little spatula that says, "Oh snap." Look how cute. It's in the green. And you get a gingerbread cookie cutter. I mean, how much better could it get? And this, I think, was like, this was $2.98. I saw it on here. This was $2.98, but look how festive. This would even be a wonderful gift. If you know somebody that loves to bake, here you go. Now, we got this. It's by Wilton, and it's at Walmart. They had red and green. I picked up the red. I'm really drawn to red this year. And I don't know how much it was. It wasn't a lot. I think it was either 2 something, but I don't want to say for sure. But you can really get some cookies off of there with that. So, pick that up. And then we couldn't forget little Maggie. So here, look at what this says. Christmas treats. Is that not adorable? I think it's so cute. Shaped in a bone. And then the side has that plaid on it. And then we can fill this with her treats for Christmas. And she can open it. And we'll put some toys in here too, probably. And she will have a blast. And it has little paw prints. I don't know if they're coming across. Right in here. I hope you can see them. Okay, so we picked up that, and then we love Meyer's hand soap, okay? And they have the peppermint out for the holidays, okay? So I picked up 3 bottles of this Meyer's hand soap. It smells so good. If you like peppermint, it smells just like a peppermint candy cane. I love it. So we have 3 bottles of this, and they had other scents as well for their holidays. Now I'm going to show you something that I've showed you before, and the reason I'm going to show you that is because I found pillows to go in it. A lot of you may remember when I purchased these pillow covers from Amazon. I love these. They're so pretty. You get that one. You get the one that has the little dog on it. And these are very expensive. I think they're like $24 or something. You get this gorgeous church. And they have others to, pick from if that's what you want to do. But I just love these. And look at this barn with all that wonderful snow, okay? Well, I was looking for pillows to go in these covers so that I could put them on my couch. Well, I went to At Home. I went everywhere. And they were so pricey. So I saw on Amazon, you get a pack of 4, and they come very flat, and then you open them up, and you just stuff them right in here, and then it zips right up. They're 18 by 18. Where's my zipper? Oh. And then here's the zipper, and you just zip it right in there, okay? So I will link the pillow covers and this in the description box below just in case you missed it, or you're looking for pillow covers, or the pillows that actually go in those covers because it can be so pricey if you try to buy them anywhere else. Now, like I said, these are the 18 by 18. So that's everything that I found at Target, Dollar Spot, and Walmart for Christmas 2020 so far. You don't want to miss it. If you can at all, go in there. They have so many wonderful things. Like I said, this would be a great gift in itself, and it's not that expensive. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you Monday for a Cricut Christmas DIY. And then Tuesday, it's either going to be a Christmas DIY or maybe a decorate with me. I'm not sure, but it will be something fun. So let me go get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Well, here is Maggie, and she said, I was just kind of half asleep and half not asleep on the couch. Say, Daddy says I have the rough life. Yes, Daddy says you have a rough life, doesn't he? Yes, Mama knows. Say, well, I just wanted to let you see me and say I love you, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Isn't that right, Maggie? Yes, that's right. Say, well, until next time. Bye, guys.